Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix CapCut no internet connection. Connect to the internet and try again. For example, if you use CapCut for your video editing and while working on CapCut you find this kind of error, then how you can fix that. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So the first step you have to do is you have to simply check your internet connection. If you are using a data connection, then you have to simply switch your internet connection to Wi-Fi connection, and if you are using Wi-Fi connection, then you have to simply switch your internet connection to mobile data, which means if you switch your internet connection, may that it work for you. And the second step is that what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to turn it off again. In this way your network connection will be restarted, and after that the next thing you have to do is you have to simply press and hold the app. If you are using iPhone or iOS device, then you have to simply go to iPhone storage and you have to simply find CapCut, and here you have to simply go to iPhone setting, and after that you have to simply offload the app. And if you are using Android phone, you have to simply click on app info here, and after that what you have to do, the first thing you have to do is you have to simply force stop the app, and after that the next thing you have to do, you have to simply clear the cache. And if after that you have to simply check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, you can also clear the storage. And the next step is you have to do, you have to simply go to Play Store, and here you have to simply search for CapCut, and here you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. If it is not showing any kind of update, then you have to check whether wait for some update so that this problem can be fixed by the CapCut in your version. If the problem is still there even you have updated, then you can simply click on app support here, and you can simply email the CapCut support so that they can solve it for you as soon as possible. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.